So in the previous video I show you that how to use the bitwise operator and operator, and in this video we will see about the OR bitwise operator. So now let us take an example, and first let us see that what kind of output we are expecting here. So if I take a equals to 5 and let's say your b is equals to let's say 3. So in this case what will happen? So when a equals to 2 and b is equals to 3, and I will try to print the value of a and or b. So see, this straight bar or the vertical line is the symbol for the OR operation in your Python, right? So if I run this code, the answer is coming at 7. Now here 7 doesn't mean anything, that 5 plus 3, 5 minus 3, 5 into 3. So 7 is nothing. So what this operation is doing? So this operation is basically, it is doing the bitwise operation for 5. Now the same process as I have seen in the previous video. So you have to convert that to binary number first. So here the binary number of 5 is, I will write 101, 10, and then your binary number for this variable b is 011. Why? Because the 011 binary value is equals to the binary decimal value of the b as 3. Now what is the next step? So next step is finding the result. So how the result is coming? So as I said, it is doing a OR operation between the individual bits. So if I write the results, let me write that in quotes. Okay. So what will be the result? Let us see here. Let me zoom in little bit so that you can better view it. Okay. So 1 or 1. So 1 or 1 means what? So 1 or 1 means obviously 1, in OR gate it is 1. Next was 0 and 1. So 0 and 1 is again 1, right? So 0 or 1, so the value is 1. And then the last one is 1 or 0, so that value is also equals to 1. Fine. So that's why if you convert that to decimal number, so this decimal number is 7 for you. Okay. Now let's do one thing. We'll take another example to see that the example we have taken in the previous video, we can take that as well. So here I'll write x, let's say equals to 12. So the previous example I'm taking here, and y is equals to 6 here, and here also it is means if I do the OR operation with print statement, so print x or y, so small y, then the result is coming as 12, right? So 14. So what is the point there, how the result is coming 12? So here what I will do, first convert that to binary of the variable value 1100. So a 12 binary number is 1100, and then this binary number is, so 6 binary number is 0110, I will write. So next what we are going to do, we are going to find the result there. So for result, so I'll just add another variable, write that as result there, and result I'll write what is the result, we'll calculate here. So OR operation we are doing in this. So 0 or 0, the answer is 0. Fine. Next one is 0 or 1. So 0 or 1 means 1 here. Next 1 is 1 or 1, that means OR operation with 1. So this value is equals to 1, and then 1 or 0. So this value is also equals to 1 in this case. Fine. Now this value, if I convert that to decimal, then this value becomes your 14 here, and that is the value shown here. So what point we need to remember here is, the binary operators take the input as the integer, then convert that to binary, and after all the calculation they convert back to decimal number system, right? So this is what happens in OR operator or OR bitwise operator. So individually bits are given with OR operations with each and every bit, so based on the place value. So the 0th place value is OR operation with 0th place value, and it will go on in this way. So that's it from this video, how to use OR operator. We'll see other operators in the next video.